Okay, hello and welcome to today's video. My name is Cam Ward and today I wanted to talk about getting into the film industry and how to get work as a videographer making little short promo films or actual film work on big movie sets. So I don't do that much work on big feature films. It's not really the avenue I'm into right now, but I've got friends that do big work on films like Star Wars and other productions like that. And I just want to tell you some of the ways to actually get onto that work, because I know it can seem impossible, but it's actually far easier than you may think. First thing you can do is go over to IMDb and make an account over there. Now, it's not just a website for finding information on films. You can also sign up for a pro account. You can get a free trial after there is a paid membership. Now, what this will allow you to do is find the production company's kind of contact details. You can find people who have worked on the films and literally just give them a call or drop them an email and ask if you can come along for the day or just work for free or just help out and just be around it. It might take you a while. I've got friends who have done this before and they had to make like tons of phone calls, tons of emails and got ignored loads, but eventually a friend of mine ended up working on a film with Michael Fassbender. I know people who've worked on Solo, a Star Wars story. So the second way of doing it is much longer, but this is more towards kind of the way I'm doing things at the moment, and this is like creating short promotional work and stuff like that. But basically you're gonna wanna build a showreel. But what I'd say to do is approach small clients, whether it's a local bar, local restaurant, local nightclub, and say, can I come and film a video for you guys for free to promote your club? And basically use all this footage to create a portfolio and a showreel. I've done a video on showreels and how to make an engaging showreel, so check that out. I'll leave a link below. Find out, like say, if you want to work at a big festival or you want to do a musician's music video, try and find the label for the person, the artist you're after, and then send them an email with your showreel attached. I used to do this a lot when I was starting out, and that got me gigs like working with Martin Garrix, literally just through dropping emails. Once you're in, it's kind of like a big network of people that all work together. So if you do a good job, then you'll hopefully get recommended and it'll just kind of spiral from there. So tip number 3, go to websites like Genero and Radar. Genero is actually very hard to get jobs off there. It's very high-end work and you're gonna need a really strong showreel to get that kind of stuff. But Radar is a smaller company. I think they're UK based, but they have a lot of smaller commission work on there. Paid service, I think, but it's relatively cheap. It's about £10 a month, I think. But you can just sign up and cancel anytime. I'm not sponsored by them or anything. I just wanted to give them a shout out because they're a great network to get going if you're like a new videographer wanting to get into this. The budgets on there are relatively small, so you're really going to have to get creative with your ideas. And to be honest, the best advice I could give anyone is just go out and start shooting and build up that showreel. With film work, it's all about what you've made. Like, people want to see examples. They don't care really about university degrees and so on, but that's a topic for another video. So thank you very much for watching. If you do have any tips or tricks for anyone starting out, leave a comment below. If you do want to see more of my work, you can check out the vlogs. And yeah, I will catch you in the next one.